You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to sort values based on cell colors. So if we drag this up, you can see these are the columns, and one of the things you need to note about this is these columns are actually arranged or have been given colors by Excel based on the value range, okay, or the cell range. So, and another aspect of this that you want to take note of is the textual columns don't have cell colors, okay. The reason is that textual columns are not progressive in nature in a way, because numbers are progressive and they fall within a range. So Excel cannot categorize textual colors into ranges, arrange A to D as one range, E to I as another range. No. So that is why you can see that the columns are not having colors. So why the numbers are having colors? Let's delve into how to sort. First of all, I want to undo this. Okay, so I think this is it. Now I want to sort. We'll come to data. You have the sort icon. You find values quickly by sorting your data. Now in this dialog box, you have the liberty of choosing multiple columns and sorting them accordingly. So if, let's say, we want to sort the customer ID based on the quantity of products they bought, customer ID represents a customer. So we'll click on customer ID. We want to sort it not based on the cell value, but based on the cell color. So if you click on the order with which the results will come out for you, you discover that there are different degree of orange color that can be found here. Both orange and yellow. So if, let's say, I want this particular color, and when you hover around the colors, you discover that based on their different colors, they also have different color numberings. Okay, so I want this one to be on top, and then I can add the next level, which is the quantity. So I don't also want it to be on cell color. I want it to be on, I don't want it to be on cell values. I want it to be on cell color. So this is having a single color. So I want it on top, and then I'll click. Of course, always make sure that you check my data has headers. Rarely you can find data sets that don't have headers. Okay, but if you don't check this, Excel will assume even the headers to be part of the data, and then it will sort it accordingly. So you wouldn't want to make that mistake. So you leave it checked, and then when we click OK, so you can see this is on top. So when we scroll down, okay, can you see? These are the values and how they are arranged. So first of all, Excel arranged it by their color, but then again you notice it is not in, neither is it in ascending order nor in descending order at the values, but based on color. Then this particular ID 15311 has values up to 1, that is, has quantity up to 1. Then the next customer 15291 has both products that the quantity is 48, and the next is 32. So this same value here, 15291 and 15291, you can see that in between them is 15100. So Excel arranged it according as the color of the quantity. Okay, the color of the quantity, so that is why I placed it there. So that is how you can do color formatting, and also sort the value based on the different color. So in the next aspect, we are going to look at sorting based on cell icon or conditional formatting icon. See you next time.